BAM is the biggest construction company of the Netherlands, divided in the Netherlands in two big companies. One of them constructs the infrastructure and the other constructs houses, buildings, hospitals, etc.
We are going much more on an agile way of working within the IT department. And within that agile way of working, we of course need the business on our side. But you need to develop fast a first increment, a first minimum viable product. And when you see that product and you try using it in test kind of circumstances, then you know what the next step should be, and the next step, and the next step. And it brings much more value to the business than in the traditional way of working.
I would say I'm quite proud of the application Cashew that we built. It's an application for people on the construction site to get a live view into budgeting information. So that means when they need a crane, for instance, they can look up the budget, see how much is left, how much is available, and they can rent what they need if it's still within budget. But the cool thing about the application is that it's hosted live in the SAP S/4HANA cloud, and we're showing the information from the database live, so it's not cached or anything, it's straight from the database. And it was actually my very first project I worked on in the real world. We actually built Cashew in a couple of days, and we could show a working project to the stakeholders. So that was amazing, and we did choose to continue development in Mendix as opposed to our previous choice.
It's a really simple app, but the impact is enormous, because what you see right now is a lot of people in project execution are procuring items or labor, and they don't have a clue about how their financial status is from the project, and that really going to shift the way our project execution colleagues are dealing with procurement. So hopefully it will impact on our project margins.
What I like is some things are really easily adapted with Mendix, and so what I see is that sometimes when you sit with the product owner and you want to shift some fields around, you want to add some extra fields, you can do this in like 5 or 10 seconds, and in this way you can directly get feedback. I think this is a system that works great.
Our project success is measured in different ways. For me personally, the first thing is our customer happy? That's of course the goal of our department, is to make our end customer, make them happy and keep them happy.